ઇન્ડિગોને લઈ અને ઉડ્ડયન મંત્રી જવાબ આપી રહ્યા છે. સાંભળીએ.
Enhanced oversight on the ground continues. Passengers' interests have been at the center of every decision taken by the government. We intervened to cap fares so that no passenger would be exploited due to the sudden demand spikes and opportunistic pricing. Indigo was ordered to issue refunds promptly, and as informed by them, more than 750 crore has already reached the passengers. For the passengers who wanted the rebookings to be done, the same were done without any additional charges. We are monitoring each and every case of baggage handling over and ensuring that communication with passengers is both timely and dignified. As informed by Indigo, process of refunds, baggage handling are over in its final stages. Our 24/7 control room continues to assist passengers directly whenever needed. Honorable Speaker, sir, going forward, the government is determined to build a more robust and competitive aviation ecosystem. Through our policies, we are encouraging more new airlines to start and operate in India, ensuring fair access to airport capacity and eliminating any possibility of duopoly controlling connectivity and pricing in our skies. More airlines mean more choice, more affordability, and more resilience for the passengers. In the last 1 decade, Indian aviation has evolved to become more inclusive. India has emerged as the world's fastest growing aviation market with year-on-year passenger growth of around 12%. India is already third biggest domestic aviation market with a huge potential for future growth. And the policies of the government will ensure that this growth trajectory is kept intact. To summarize, operations are stabilizing fast, safety remains fully in force, Indigo is being held accountable, passengers' convenience and dignity are being protected, and long-term measures are underway to make India's aviation sector stronger and more passenger-centric. The government will remain fully vigilant until normalcy is achieved and will continue to ensure that every passenger in India travels safely, comfortably, and with the respect they deserve. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir.
माननीय मंत्री महोदय ने अपना डिटेल स्टेटमेंट दिया है और सारी स्थिति को स्पष्ट किया है। संबंधित एजेंसी को नोटिस दिए गए हैं, उसकी जांच का कार्रवाई चल रही है। मुझे लगता है कि उन्होंने सारे विषय को डिटेल तरीके से सदन के सामने प्रस्तुत कर दिया गया है। कल आपने विषय रखा, मैंने कहा माननीय मंत्री जी डिटेल स्टेटमेंट देंगे। कल मैंने आपको बोलने का अवसर दिया था, ये आपका तरीका उचित नहीं है, संसदीय परंपराओं के अनुरूप भी नहीं है। मेरी अपेक्षा है कि आपको अगर कोई चर्चा करनी है तो आप नोटिस दीजिए, यही संसदीय परंपरा रहती है। आप बिना नोटिस दिए ही करें। कल आपने कहा मंत्री जी ने डिटेल स्टेटमेंट दे दिया, सारी स्थिति को स्पष्ट कर दिया गया। आइटम नंबर 19 श्री किरण रिजिजू जी।
Sir, I rise to move the following, that this House do agree with the 12th report of the Business Advisory Committee presented to the House on 8 December 2025.
प्रश्न है कि ये सभा 8 दिसंबर 2025 को सभा में प्रस्तुत कार्य मंत्रणा समिति के 12वें प्रतिवेदन से सहमत है। जो सदस्य प्रस्ताव के पक्ष में वह हाँ कहें, जो प्रस्ताव के विरोध में ना कहें। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष हुआ प्रस्ताव को अनुमोदित किया जाता है। माननीय सदस्यगण, जिन माननीय सदस्यों के